This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Laura Marr. Welcome to this impeccably maintained lakefront home offering nearly 2,000 square feet of comfortable living space. This residence features a desirable split bedroom floor plan with 3 true bedrooms, providing privacy for the spacious primary suite. Enjoy both formal and casual dining with a dedicated dining room and a charming breakfast nook overlooking serene lake views. The home has been thoughtfully updated, including fresh interior and exterior paint and refurbished tile flooring. The kitchen has been refreshed with refinished cabinetry, ample pantry storage, and well-maintained appliances. Bathrooms have been tastefully updated with quartz countertops, refinished cabinets, and modern lighting. Additional features include recessed lighting, updated ceiling fans, and roll-down sunshades throughout, offering both privacy and unobstructed views. The primary suite is a true retreat, featuring a large picture window with lake views, a spacious walk-in closet, linen closet, dual vanities, a spa tub, separate tiled shower, and a private water closet. 2 additional bedrooms are located on the opposite side of the home and share a full bathroom with a tub/shower combination. Step outside to a screened patio overlooking the lake, perfect for relaxing. The pie-shaped lot is beautifully landscaped and includes a zone sprinkler system drawing from the lake. A well-appointed laundry room offers a soaking sink and generous cabinet storage. Located in the highly desirable Baywinds active adult community, residents enjoy a wealth of amenities including a clubhouse, fitness center, bocce, tennis, pickleball, billiards, card rooms, crafts, ballroom, multiple pools, sauna, and scenic views. The gated community offers on-site management and 24-hour security. HOA fees include home alarm monitoring, premium cable, internet, lawn care, and trash collection. A clubhouse renovation has also been approved, adding even more value to this vibrant community. Don't miss the opportunity to enjoy lakefront living in one of the area's most amenity-rich communities. For more information, review the details below or contact Laura Marr at 561-209-8900.